8 ways listicle calendars can have a significant positive impact on productivity compared to traditional layouts. 1. Improved time management. Listicle calendars help improve time management by allocating specific time blocks for tasks. 2. Better prioritization. Listicle calendars make it easier to prioritize tasks by visually organizing them within a time framework. 3. Increased task completion. By scheduling tasks directly into time slots, users are more likely to complete them. This contrasts with traditional calendars, where studies show that up to 41% of items never get done. 4. Enhanced focus. By assigning specific times for tasks, it becomes easier to focus on one thing at a time. 5. Goal alignment. Listicle calendars can be designed to focus on specific goals, boosting your personal development and productivity. 6. Reduce stress. By providing structure for task completion, listicle calendars can help reduce stress and provide a sense of control over one's schedule. 7. Improved collaboration. When shared, listicle calendars can help team members understand each other's workloads more effectively, leading to better collaboration. 8. Habit formation. Regular use of listicle calendars can help in forming productive habits by consistently scheduling important activities. Click the link to get your listicle calendar and have a great day.